Good morning, everyone. I'm Muthu from Image Graphics Software. Based on our previous discussion, we are using 2D and you want to know why, if I move to BIM, what would be the benefits out of it. So let's see how easy or what would be the benefits of moving to BIM and what does BIM tell you. So what is BIM? BIM is BIM information modeling process. So it begins from the conceptual stage till your deliverables and your maintenance, operation, till all the stage it could help you actually. And why BIM is used for? It's used to design and document building or infrastructure design. Every detail of the building is modeled in it and informations are fed into it. So whatever information you feed in, you'll be able to take it back actually. The process, yes, you will start with your plan or your design, you build, operate. So all these areas, the BIM could be covered actually. The solution what we are discussing about, it also covers all these areas. Benefits of BIM. So you know before in your mind what you are documenting, how it would get constructed, what would be the output. So these things today also you know, but you are visualizing in your mind. Instead here you will see it visually on screen actually. So you know before in hand what would be the problems that may occur in the site, how it could be handled, what would be the output which you will get out of it. Your designs could be better built, as you said, you are into retail or you are into hotels and you are into villas, your project goes everywhere. And many a times you enter into the space where some construction has already happened and you wanted to utilize the existing ones, and then on top of it you wanted to model your designs. So today with laser technologies, you can do a laser scanning, you can go to the site, you can scan and bring the data back, and on top of it you can start your 3D models and you can build it, and you know whether the items would fit in there, is there enough space. So those things can be done actually. And you can avoid your clashes. So if it's like a retail or already structures are built in, already MBB services are traveling there, and your product goes and fits inside that space, so you know in hand before whether there would be any clash happening there. So with the solution what we are discussing about can also handle on the clash detection, and you will also have improved collaboration and facilities on top of it. So this is the major jump which you are facing now on the mitigated risks and the reduced cost everywhere this is happening. So you want to reduce your cost and you want to have better collaboration with your team so that it doesn't happen in the frequent days. And there are also sometimes ALD classes are there which you wanted to avoid on deliverables, so there is no delay happening, and the claim issues, all these things could also be sorted out when you start visualizing in BIM, and also when you collaborate with the other parties out of the process who's working on BIM. There could be improved scheduling and sequencing. So when you are planning your planning in Primavera or Excel, so your tasks, so that could also be linked with your 3D models, and you could also see how the sequencing has to be done, when we should enter into that space, where at what stage my items will be at that place, is it I'm going on time or not. So all these things could also be integrated, and more accurately you can perform your task and scheduling section. You can also do cost estimation using BIM. It just don't give you 2D drawings or 3D models. It could also be taken into cost estimation purposes actually. So you know the cost before in hand, it could be accurately estimated. So you can make a task already in your Primavera and other things you are making tasks. So you can add a cost to it and the 3D model, and you can see the cost estimation out of it. Downstream, yes, you will have a better collaboration and communication with your team who is in site, who is doing the QA/QC or installation, all these people. With the BIM 360 in cloud, you will be able to achieve those things actually and the part of the ecosystem. So that as an owner or a developer for your warehouses and for your fit out layouts and the retail shops, so you'll be having improved building design, you will have the streamlining of the data flowing, and you'll have accurate cost estimates. You can follow the compliance given by the Dubai municipality and Musannada, and you'll have enhanced branding and better maintenance is there. Key factors: you need to have a BIM adoption plan from the executive leadership till the users, and you should enable all the stakeholders in the process, and you should be ready to change behaviors and process, not just the technology change will not help you out actually. So with image graphics being in board, we will be able to help you and achieve this process actually. So we can discuss further on this so that we know what would be the next steps to be handled.
Cool.